I'm going to look at the Folder Permissions Editor. When you fire it up the first time, you'll get prompted for a license key, your name, email, and the company. Once you activate it, you'll be able to use your product. Just hit the close button. So the Folder Permission Editor is set up to log into any vault that's a desktop application for administrators. So if I select a vault and log in, it's broken down into users and groups on the left, search criteria in the middle, and then the permissions will show up here on the right. So if I say I want to check for the design group, for example, and I want to check everything in the vault, I would just put in a wildcard character. So it's asterisk for anything, pound for a numerical digit, and a question mark for any single character. And then whether or not we want to search subfolders. So that'll crawl through there, grab all the folders, in this case that exist in my vault, and we'll put a marker in the back here in red that lists anything that has explicit permissions. So we don't automatically select the permissions. We have to actually go search for those. So it's a combination of taking your user and group parameters, the folders that you want to see, and for example, let's say I want to look at anything that's got specifications in it. It's probably case sensitive there. There we are. And I can select everything that's visible if I want. And then when I hit refresh, it goes through and searches for anywhere that design has, or it looks for the design permissions with these selected folders. All right, so the more folders you select, the more users and groups you select, the longer this can take to refresh. Then you can simply change the permission you want to see. Maybe you want to allow these people now to set revisions. It'll highlight it in orange to let you know it's different. Hit apply, and it's done. Setting the permissions is very fast, much faster actually than finding them. So if we go refresh, now we can see we've set that permission. We could clear it again, apply it, and refresh again, and now it's changed.